So everything is nicely shaping up for Dogecoin and the overall crypto market. And in this video, I'm going to talk about where we are headed from here. But before we move forward, I'd like to remind you that we're giving away $100 to a random subscriber at the end of this month. All you have to do is like this video, subscribe, and leave a comment in the comment section below. Good luck! So it appears that crypto holders are in for a treat, as we are now seeing that the overall crypto market is back on the upside. The total crypto market cap has seen a slight surge and is now sitting around $2.4 trillion. So the point is that the crypto market has shed off some of its recent losses. And as we are heading towards the end of the year, I think that it will recover more from here. And the best thing is that the crypto market has done well throughout this year. Now I know that you are thinking that the last couple of months were not so good for the market. But the thing is that this extended price correction was considered healthy for cryptos. And overall, the market outlook hasn't been bearish. This is because, as I said, the crypto market grew significantly in 2021, collecting billions of dollars as the popularity of cryptos like Dogecoin skyrocketed. And right now, we are seeing that the market is going to end the year on a positive note. And another good thing happening right now is that the fear sentiment in the market is now steadily fading away. The fear and greed index for cryptos is now sitting around 39 points. And this is critical since we are currently witnessing a huge change in market sentiment. So the point is that crypto investors are feeling confident enough to invest in the market. And this is a very optimistic sign for Doge and all other cryptos. And I'm more excited for Doge since it has been trading up throughout this week. And as we are entering the Santa rally, things are turning out quite nicely for it. In fact, it is already showing signs of a positive rally as it is now up by 4% in the last 24 hours and is just inches away from the 19 cents price level. And this means that we are going to see Doge clearing the crucial resistance level of 19 cents. And if Doge manages to break through it, there is a strong likelihood that it will also clear the next resistance level of 21 cents. Moreover, it is now trading above its 20 days simple moving average and exponential moving average. And this means that Doge is going to move up from here. And this is exactly why I'm expecting Doge to go around the 23 to 25 cents range by the end of December. And another good thing for Doge is that its trading volume has been up by about 40% in the last 24 hours. And this means that more and more people are getting back into buying Doge. And this is why we are now seeing that the number of holders for Doge is increasing. So as I said, this is a pretty bullish indicator for Doge. And I think this will help Doge to gain enough momentum to clear its crucial resistance levels in the coming trading sessions. And another bullish indicator for Doge is that Bitcoin is now also moving up. So as you can see, Bitcoin is now trading around the 51K mark after an extended price correction. And we saw how it went to the 45K mark recently, and everyone was saying that we have entered the bullish market. But I was consistently telling all of you that it was just an extended price correction, and it was not a bullish phase. And as you can see, I was right there. And now with Bitcoin showing some strength, I expect it to hit the 55K mark by the end of December. So we have a major bullish indicator for Bitcoin. And as you can see here, Bitcoin has been facing a critical resistance level since May, and now we are seeing that Bitcoin has gone past it. And this resistance is now turning up to be the support region for Bitcoin. Moreover, the MACD has just turned green, which was down before. And we earlier saw that when the MACD turned green, there was about a 70% increase in Bitcoin's price. So the point is that Bitcoin is now ready to surge big time since the MACD has turned green again. Meanwhile, we are also seeing that crypto adoption is booming. And as you are seeing, new credit unions in the US are now seeking regulatory approval to hold crypto and Bitcoin directly. So this is yet another bullish indicator for Bitcoin and all other cryptos since credit unions are now asking for regulatory permission to hold crypto on the books. And this means that we may see major banks in the US adopting crypto. So there is now a strong likelihood that we are heading towards mainstream Bitcoin and crypto adoption. And talking about crypto regulations, there is another good news for the crypto community. So I recently mentioned in one of my videos that Russia is not going to ban cryptos since they had made a crypto working group to talk about regulating the sector. And now it has been reported that the first meeting of the Crypto Working Group was recently held at Russia's parliament, and now its members have been assigned with the responsibility of submitting legislative recommendations. The aim is to focus on thoroughly regulating cryptos and related activities in the Russian Federation. And as per the deputy speaker of the Russian parliament, the authorities are well aware of the growth of the crypto economy, and this is why they are exploring to properly regulate the sector. So this is good news for the global crypto community, and I think if Russia regulates crypto, then it will surely inspire other nations to follow suit. And now let's talk about Shiba Inu for a minute, since things are nicely shaping up for it. First of all, it appears that major Ethereum whales are back at it with Shiba Inu accumulation. This is because an Ethereum whale has recently bought nearly 54 billion SHEB, amounting to $2 million. And we know that this is not the first time that ETH whales are accumulating SHEB. Earlier this month, we saw that another whale purchased about 4 billion Shiba Inu tokens. So this means that major whales are now looking to accumulate as many SHEB tokens as they can in order to get long-term gains. Moreover, we are now seeing that the popularity of SHEB is continuously rising. In fact, 2021 has been a pretty solid year for SHEB in terms of its popularity. And as per a recent study from Global Data, we are seeing that the social media conversations for Shiba Inu have increased by a whopping 16,000% in 2021. So it is now quite clear that SHEB has managed to gain widespread popularity. And with this rise in its popularity, we have also seen a massive rise in its adoption. But this is not it for SHEB. There is another bullish indicator coming up for it. So we know that the burning rate of SHEB has already increased throughout this month. And now about 211 million SHEB tokens are going to be burned on December 26. This was made official by Stephen Cooper, founder and owner of Bigger Entertainment. He has announced that his team is going to burn this massive amount of SHEB tokens. So as you all know that a high rate of token burning is good for prices, and this means that we are now going to see a significant increase in Shiba Inu's price. In fact, if we come to its current price movements, we are seeing that SHEB has been up by more than 18% in the last 7 days. So this means that SHEB is now shedding off its recent losses. And since the overall crypto market has also rebounded, I think we will see SHEB gaining more momentum in the coming trading sessions. And another altcoin that has been trading really well is Cardano. So after going below the $1 price level, Cardano has witnessed significant recovery. And it is now up by about 15% in the last 7 days and is now trading around $1.4. And this means that Cardano is now inches away from its crucial resistance level of $1.5. And since it has now turned the $1.4 region into a support floor, I think that it can clear this resistance level in the coming trading sessions. So I'm expecting Cardano to trade somewhere around $1.5 to $1.6 by the end of December. And now let's come back to Bitcoin for a minute, since there is an interesting update about it. So despite declining prices for the past month, we are now seeing that about 74% of Bitcoin investors have achieved major gains from their investments. And since Bitcoin is now trading on the upside, this number of investors in profit is going to increase even further. So the point is that this is a pretty bullish indicator for Bitcoin, since it has managed to keep a majority of its holders in profit despite recent market losses. And this will eventually encourage other investors to invest in Bitcoin. And since we have just seen how things are looking good for Bitcoin, this is making me more and more bullish for Dogecoin. As you can see, the price correlation of Bitcoin and Dogecoin is pretty high right now. And as I have talked about it before, this means that if Bitcoin goes up, then Dogecoin will follow its trajectory. So the thing is that we are now seeing a lot of bullish indicators for Dogecoin. And as we are now heading towards the new year, things are turning out quite nicely for it. All in all, Doge holders are going to see their favorite coin performing quite well in 2022. In any case, what are your thoughts on this? Do you think Doge is going to do well in 2022? Let me know in the comment section below.